Arthur, I did the thing you're never supposed to do.
You deployed on a Friday.
I deployed on a Friday, one line, I changed one line, pushed it straight to the server, and the login page vanished. All weekend.
One line, no tests, straight to production. You didn't break the rule. You broke all three of them.
There are rules?
There's a whole assembly line. Today, CICD, the robot factory that makes shipping code boring. Boring is the goal.
Sell me on boring.
Gladly. Remember DevOps last Thursday? Ship small, ship often, let robots do the checking? CICD is those robots in two teams. Team 1, CI, continuous integration. Every time you push code, robots grab it, build it, and run every test you have. Automatically, in minutes.
So my Friday one-liner?
Would have hit a robot wall. Test failed, login page missing. Production never sees it. You get a red X instead of a ruined weekend.
The robots take the blame before the users can.
Beautifully put. And Team 2, CD. Once tests pass, the code ships onward, automatically.
Straight to users? That sounds scarier than my Friday.
Two flavors. Continuous delivery. Robots prepare everything. A human presses the final button. Continuous deployment. No button. Green tests. It's live.
No button at all? Who chooses that?
Teams with serious test suites. If the robots check everything that matters, why wait for a nervous human? Some companies ship dozens of times a day this way.
Okay, walk me down this assembly line. I push code, then what?
Stage 1. Build. Your code gets compiled and packed into, say it with me,
A container?
The Tuesday knowledge pays off. Stage 2. Test. Unit tests, integration tests, the works. Any failure stops the line, like the cord in a Toyota factory. Stage 3. Deploy. The tested box rolls to staging, then production. Same box everywhere. Remember, that's the whole container promise.
Where do these robots live? Do I buy a robot server?
Nope. It's a config file in your repo. GitHub Actions is the popular one. GitLab CI, Jenkins do the same dance. On every push, build, test, deploy. 20 lines of YAML.
20 lines between me and never having a Friday incident again?
20 lines and the discipline to write tests. The pipeline only catches what a test checks. Quick pause. Thursdays here are building the whole DevOps toolkit. Next week, Terraform. Infrastructure written as code. If you're assembling your robot army, follow the channel.
The robot army has a schedule now. Real talk. Yeah, what does this look like day one for a solo builder like me? I don't have test suites.
Start stupidly small. One test that checks the login page exists. One pipeline. Build, run that test, deploy if green.
That's one afternoon of work.
And every test you add afterward is another guard hired for free, forever. It compounds, like the channel.
Haha, smooth.
All right, land the plane. What's CICD?
CICD is the robot assembly line for code. CI, every push gets built and tested automatically. Failures stop the line, not the weekend. CD, tested code ships onward, with a button if you're careful, without one if your robots are sharp. It lives in a config file next to my code, and day one is one pipeline plus one test.
And what do we say to Friday deploys?
With a pipeline, but honestly, go ahead. The robots don't know it's Friday.
That's graduation. Next Thursday, Terraform. See you there.